These are the coolest guys you will ever meet, with the coolest cars in the market, some of the most well-maintained vehicles, and this group is going to participate tomorrow at the 2022 Texas Hill Country Rally. So they'll be moving from Austin to Dripping Springs to High, Texas, Johnson City, Fredericksburg, and beyond. So I'm gonna have a little chat with these guys, and I'll show you some of the best well-maintained Porsches, Ferrari, BMWs that you will ever see. And here we go. Enjoy some of the best conversations with the coolest guys in town.
Yeah, it's a Porsche. Yeah, engines in the back.
What year is it?
This one is a 94.
Nice.
Thank you.
And that's Dutch?
German.
German.
It's a German car.
Nice. Texas Turismo
It's
Clásico.
not 90 or older. Yeah.
There's always cheaters. Every place
Hey, I'll tell you a funny story. When I was a kid, I worked at a BMW dealership washing cars. And, every time I got in one of these, because these were the brand new when I was in.
What year is your Ferrari?
And,
88.
Wow! How long have you had it?
15 years?
Yeah, they didn't pay me for that.
Wow! Look at that!
No.
Look what they jammed in there.
Holy cow!
Yeah, those were pretty special in it. Because there weren't many of them.
So probably about the same size as he's got, except he's got a 6-cylinder and that's a V8
That's a V8, yeah. Where are the rest of the...
on the other side.
So it's a lot of work to get to them.
You take this off to get to the back side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Wow!
a little work.
Nice! And there's a engine and a compartment in the back.
You have to play it up the thing on. There's not a lot of room.
Here's the front.
Let me see the front.
There was room for one thing.
Let me see your engine.
Oh my
That's it.
goodness.
Right?
It's just for racing,
Racing?
not for luggage.
Yeah, just for a spare tire
Yeah.
and a jack and a fire extinguisher and
What year is this car?
And it's funny,
88 and a half.
88 and a half.
the radiator is in the front
Yeah, that's when you got the
and the engine is in the back.
Yes, last year. of the 328.
How about that?
spicy.
You speak German?
Was magst du heute?
Nice, nice, nice. Wow.
What a drive.
Oh, yeah.
So it looks like this is an organized race because I see numbers. You are number
Yeah,
one.
And we are racing for sure.
Okay?
I'm just kidding. We weren't racing. We're just
It's a drive.
We're just driving.
And where are you going?
We're gonna go tomorrow. We're gonna go drive out in the hill country.
Like Fredericksburg, Johnson City,
All that.
in the wine country.
Yeah. Yeah.
The street legal speed.
Yes.
show me one more time. Show me that.
Yes. Street legal.
Street legal speed. Man, that would be awesome. I hope the day clears out for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. It's a BMW. Number 23. Number 25. E30 M3. Oh, this is the same family.
Same family.
I couldn't tell until I saw the number plates. Nice. 320i station wagon. Oh, look at that. Nice. Tell me this is from the 70s. 74. Whoa. What model is it? Is it like
2002. It's called a 2002.
Oh, for a minute there I
No,
froze.
It's 74, but it's called a 2002.
Oh, that's the model.
Yeah.
2002.
Yeah.
So it's been a Texas car for a long time.
Yeah. That's right.
Nice. Number 15. Man, that should be a good race tomorrow. The weather will clear out for you, definitely.
Yeah. It'll be nice weather for sure.
And this is the original paint?
That is the original color, but it's been repainted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys, enjoy.
Yeah.
All right. All right. One more car that just drove by. Let's go there and see it and have a little conversation with this guy. How about that? How he likes his car. Very good guys here.
Yeah, you already got this light working. Yeah.
How many on side lights?
1965?
Yeah, 1965.
They used to come with a mesh on the spotlight.
No, it's like an extra.
Yeah, they're still on.
Yeah, you're okay.
That's that both.
Yeah, they're both.
Yes.
Oh, is it? You're right. I didn't know if you were one to still keep going.
No, nothing. I'm dumping it all tonight. Yeah.
This is newer than that one.
It's
right?
87.
87.
Yeah.
Wow.
20 years newer.
And original seats?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that.
He has a guy who paints
Yeah.
seats.
Guy looks after my
He can
stuff.
redo like
Redo
say
the
you-
seats?
Like
Yeah.
if you rub the color, you get in, you rub against it, and
Yeah.
makes it look bad. He can. Fix
He
it up.
redoes them.
Apparently, yeah.
Nice.
Are you driving something?
Oh, the big one there. It doesn't count. Does not
Big
count.
luxury
But
car.
I'm sure it's comfortable and drives very well.
Oh, yeah. And the trunk is in the front. It's a Porsche.
It's a frunk.
Yeah.
It's a frunk.
Frunk.
Front trunk.
Yes, it's a frunk.
My bag?
Yeah, mine's heavier, I think.
All right. Let's see what number this is. Number 9. All right. And last and definitely the least.
I don't know why you would.
Hey, you sir. What are you driving? Why are you driving?
Bro. If
Sir.
you don't know, you'll never know, bro.
What are these number for?
Lower your voice.
What does this number start? Is this from the year 550?
I don't talk to BMW people.
Ah.
Problem may change, squeeze.
Where's your mtu wa BMWs? Bro, BMW 750 Li in your DMs.
Why S-Class over BMW 7 Series? BMW, me want it's a lower version of a Mercedes Benz. So there's Mercedes Benz, then there's BMW, then there's Audi. Okay?
Bro,
We'll beat this thing any day.
What you doing?
That guy's not even racing you.
Yeah, he did. He blinked. In all challenges, yours will lose. All challenges, including speed. Unajua kuna luxury challenge, kuna 0 to 100 challenge, kuna distance challenge, kuna looks kwa street.
This is what?
challenge.
4.7 seconds in
What?
60 miles an
No,
hour?
kuna how wet are her panties challenge.
Kwa hiyo nimekubali. Hiyo ni shide.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, hiyo ni shide.
So lower your voice before uniongeleshe. Come clean.
So hiki kio hufunguka.
Yote mpaka hapo.
Na sasa utarudisha nini ukimaliza test drive?
Wewe shida yako nini?
Hiyo haitaisha.
Unaona niko nayo sasa.
Hiyo haitaisha.
Unaona niko na
I'm representing watu wa roho baya. Kwani test driver iishi?
Aishi.
Mbwa nyinyi.